Hello, I am Priyanka Pandey, Assistant Professor in Bianis Group of Colleges. Welcome you all on behalf of Guru KPO. Today I discuss the topic set in mathematics. What is set? Set is the collection of well-defined objects. It is denoted by capital letter and its element denoted by a small letter. For example, V is the set of vowels in English alphabet is equals to A, E, I, O, U. V in capital letter and its elements is denoted by a small letter. Second, every set is collection, but every collection are not necessary a set. That means well-defined collection is a set. For example, the collection of cricket players is a collection, but it is not a set. Next is description of set. Set is described in two forms. First is roster form and tabular form. In this form, set is described in listing element separated comma within a bracket. For example, A is the set of prime numbers which is less than 11 is 2, 3, 5, 7. Second is set builder's form. In this form, a set is separated in characterized property on its elements x. For example, E is the set of natural numbers where x of x is natural number and x is equals to 2n, where a small n belongs to capital N. Next, type of set. First is empty set. A set is said to be empty if it has no element and it is denoted by 5. Second is singleton set. A set is said to be singleton if it has only one element. For example, A is the set of x and it has only one element. That means A is a singleton element. Next is finite set. A set is said to be finite if its elements are countable. For example, A, the set of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it is countable, that means A is a finite set. Next is infinite set. Infinite set, that means a set is not a finite, it called a infinite set. For example, A is the set of A is infinite set because the last term of A is not defined. Next is equivalent set. If two finite set A and B are said to be equivalent if their cardinal number are same. That means NA is equals to NB. Next is equal set. Two set A and B are said to be equal if the element of A is member of B is then A is said to be equal to B. For example, A is the set of 1, 2, 3, 4 is also equals to B. Then A equals to B and A and B is said to be equal set. Next is universal set. A set that contains all the set of given quantities. It's called a universal set. For example, U is the set of all the natural number where A is the set of number which is divisible by 2 and B is the set of number which is divisible by 3. Next is subset. If A and B are two set and every element of A is a element of B, then A is a subset of B. For example, B is equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and A is equals to 1, 4, 5. That means the element of A also exists in B. So, A is the subset of B. If A is the subset of B, it is denoted by like as. A is a subset of B. If A is not a subset of B, we write like this. Thank you and thank you for watching this video. For more details, please log on www.gurukpo.com.